Alright, so we have a set of Razor UHDs, 12x50s. We're going to do an unboxing on these. So this is a different case than what's came with the Vipers or the Diamondbacks that I previously purchased. Looks like they included some type of shell holder pouch, or kind of cool. Have the harness for the carrying case. It's different than what's came with the Diamondbacks or the Vipers. I'll get that set up in a minute. This is your straps for the binos, so you can keep them around your neck. I typically don't use these. 95% of the time, binos are on a tripod. Looks like they got a lens cloth. Lens cloth. And then product manual. We don't use these either though. So here they are. So they do feel heavier than Diamondback 15s. Looks like they're a little bit taller, maybe a little bit skinnier, but they do look taller. And then a set of Vipers for comparison. So both of these are 12s, Diamondbacks are 15s. They are heavier. So heaviest, lightest, middle of the pack. So as standard with Vortex, this unscrews. So you can put your stud adapter in there so you can have your tripod mount. Alright, so I'm going to show a comparison of the harnesses that came with, or the carrying case that came with the Razor versus the Vipers. Little different. Ultimately do the same thing, obviously different color, taller, but same basic setup. The one thing I am worried about is I typically carry binos with the arc or Swiss plate already on them. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that with the Razors in this case. So we will find out very shortly. But I do plan on doing a comparison between the three of these. So if you guys are interested, stick around. Hopefully next couple weeks we'll get a good comparison, looking through phone scope and just a review of all three of these together. Alright, so it looks like this comes already pre-assembled. I do remember the Vipers and the Diamondback cases was you had to actually like put some of these through there, but pretty basic. You want to make sure labels up or logos up. Obviously your head and neck will go here, and then the one that go around your torso, around your chest. Just like that. Then you can adjust it to fit you however you need. I'm going to discard these because I don't need them. But these would go on binoculars so you don't lose them. Like I said, typically these are on a tripod for me, so like I said, I'm not going to use them. You'd loop them through here. That way you can't physically lose them.